Good morning, boys and girls, and a happy Friday to all of you. This is our last day doing schoolwork until next Thursday. Wow. So you've got Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday off. So this morning, I would like you to do your check-in, and also we have a Teams meeting this morning. So you get to see myself and Mrs. Bailey at that. Okay. So first thing I want you to do is do your Google check-in today, okay? So if you've not managed to do it before our Teams meeting, that's absolutely fine, but do it as soon as we're finished, just so we know how you are, okay? Then your starter is find as many ways as you can to make the number 110. So we're a 3-digit number today. I want you to write all your examples down, and for today you could share your starter as a picture, taking a picture of it and putting it in your folder today. So we're not doing an assignment today, we're just taking a picture of it and putting it in our folder. Then after that we've got spelling, so there's going to be a voice recording of dictation that will be in assignments. So you have not to look at any words written down and you've not to copy any. This is just to identify that you know how to spell your words you've been practicing this week. Now you're going to submit your words in assignments, okay? So you shouldn't be using, if you're typing it up as a Word document, you shouldn't be using words spell checker. You can either upload it as typing it up in a document, or you could handwrite it and upload a picture. So that is going to be in assignments. It's really important that we put it in assignments, boys and girls, so I can see how we're getting on at practicing our spelling, okay? Excuse me. So for reading today, it's The Butterfly Line again and Strange Meeting. So this time I want you to reread the chapter to someone in your house, okay? So it might be your little brother or sister, it might be mum or dad or gran or grandpa or auntie or uncle or whoever. You have to read this chapter, The Strange Meeting, to someone in your house, and then you've got some comprehension questions. Now the questions are also a bit of inference. Remember, inference is reading the book and answering questions, but it doesn't actually tell the answer. So excuse me, boys and girls. For example, inference is if I tell you, oh, put your wellies on before you go to school. I'm telling you to put your wellies on before you go to school because it's rainy and wet and I don't want your feet to get wet. So it's telling me about the weather without me actually telling you it's raining, okay? So that's what your task is. It's comprehension questions, but it's a little bit of inference as well, which is quite good, boys and girls. Then we're going on to numeracy. Now I've put up a little video for you today, boys and girls, and it's on a website that we're able to use. It's called WestOS. It's on Glow. Now with the link, it will probably ask you to log in using your Glow email, okay? So I'll ask you to log in using your Glow email and maybe possibly even your password, okay? And that's okay. So you just type in your Glow email, so it'll be, for example, Miss Taylor's is GW17 Taylor Carrie-Ann at glow.sch.uk, and then I would type in my password if it asked me to, okay? Excuse me, boys and girls. Then I want you to make times tables flashcards. I'm going to quickly show you how to do them again. So you're folding your paper in half, okay, like that, so it's nice and thin. Half again, so the thin to thin, okay, and then another half. So in a minute I'll show you what it looks like. So we're opening it up so it's got little lines. Then you're going to write your times tables. So I'm not going to do all of them just now, I'm just going to do some of them. So 0 times 6 equals, then you put 0. Oh, my pen's running out, you can't really see that because my pen's running out. Okay, and then you're going to do 1 times 6 equals 6. Okay, so you're going to do that for all your times tables, and then you're going to cut them out. So you're going to cut up the middle first, separate them. So cutting up the middle, and then you're going to cut these little bits so that they make cards, and then you can play like a game of Snap, or you can play a memory game, or you could just play a quick game that goes 0 times 6, and then somebody could tell you 0. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to make your flashcards. If you've not got them for your 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 times table, you could make them for them as well, because we're going to practice our times tables today and the times tables you've learned so far. So I want you to do it with someone at home. You can maybe play a wee times tables game, like around the world or something. And then you've got your Sum Dog challenge, okay? And I want you to do at least 20 minutes today. Sum Dog's important because it's helping us learn our math skills more, okay? So for numeracy, as I said, the video, you will probably have to log in with your Glow email address and your password, alright? If you have any problems, please let me know. Oh, it's crashed. Okay, hopefully that's come up now and you can see me. Okay, your next task is to do some art, okay? So you can complete one or both of the art tutorials that I have attached as YouTube links. Now those links will be on your thing link, and I'll also post all the links that you need for today on to the Teams page, okay? And I can't wait to see your amazing artwork. This time you don't need to put the pictures onto assignments. It's just I want you to put the pictures up into your folder, okay? And I'll let you know once I've seen them. And you never know, you never know, we might print some off, or I might send some to Missy Patterson and she can put them on the Twitter so everybody can see the amazing work you've been doing. Okay, and then we've got a health and well-being video, okay, and it's week 2 and we're going to be talking about working together. So remember, we're learning about my relationships and about working together. So it's week 2. You can watch the video and you can pause it as you go, so you've got little tasks. Now both your tasks for health and well-being are on the same Word document, okay? You can type your answers straight in and then you're going to publish it again on assignments. Now this should be really easy. Remember, I've got 2 videos explaining how assignments work if you need me to share them. One will show you on a laptop and one will show you on an iPhone or an iPad. So just let me know if you need those links again, okay? But you can edit the Word document that I share with you, or you can write it down, whatever you like, boys and girls. So we're going to do that and it's quite fun. I quite like the task that we're doing today. And last but not least, any other tasks is you can read a book for 15 minutes. You know I always encourage you to read, boys and girls. Don't read more of The Butterfly Lion, as I said yesterday. And again, there's the class library that Mrs. McGregor's made. There'll also be recordings of me reading our class reading for enjoyment book. If you remember, I've read the first chapter, and then we're going to read chapter 2 yesterday, and I'm going to read chapter 3 today. So I'm going to read more of The Secret Dragon, which is quite exciting. But boys and girls, after today at 3 o'clock, I don't want you to be doing any more work because you are off on Monday, you're off on Tuesday, the teachers have to be working on Wednesday, but you're still off for an in-service day. So I want you to enjoy those 3 days as much as you can because you need time to relax. You've been doing really busy work on the computer or on your iPad at home, and now those 3 days are holiday days for you. You need to take your time off and enjoy them, okay? So have a lovely weekend and I will see you all next Thursday, okay? Have a great weekend and have a great day with your work, and post as many comments as you can, boys and girls, on the Teams. I like it when you message me so I can message you back and see how you're doing with your work. Alright, remember you can also email me. That's my email address is always on our Teams. Okay, have fun with your task today, boys and girls.